Chimney Rock Park, but I found some resident jigsaw made a bat. Pretty good work actually. Jigsaw art here, we got ourselves an eagle. Let's check the corners. They overcut, no, pretty good cuts. A little bit too far here. Alright, now we're gonna go climb way somewhere over there. Alright, the important part, Infiniti is parked so that nobody can park on the other side of it and in the shade. Not a bad view. Yeah, we gotta go way up there. Make signs all the time. Now I'm like, oh look, overpainted a little bit before, but like this is a perfect sign now. I'm seeing the little flaws. I mean the views are nice too and whatnot. But look at the little overpaint. Alright, look how pretty this is. And we made it to all this spots so far in 4x4 mode.